The first of the derivative rules you have to remember is the power rule. This is to help you find the derivative of any x raised to the power of n. So if f of x equals x to the power of n, then the derivative f dash of x is equal to n x to the power of n minus 1. The best way to remember this is to say multiply by the power, take 1 off the power. So let's do a few questions. So the first one, y is equal to x cubed plus 5x squared plus 7x plus 2. So the derivative, written as dy over dx, is equal to 3x squared plus 2 times 5 is 10, x to the power of 1 plus 7. Question 2. Y is equal to 3x to the power of minus 5 minus 4x to the power of 3 over 2 plus x to the power of 4 divided by 5. So dy over dx is equal to minus 5 times 3 is minus 15. Minus 5 take away another one is minus 6. 3 over 2 is 1.5, so 1.5 times minus 4 is minus 6. 1.5 take away 1 is a half, and then 4 times x to the power of 3 all over 5. In question 3, we haven't got powers yet, so we have to make them all into powers. So we can rewrite this. X squared on the bottom can be brought to the top, but it becomes negative. So we've got 4x to the minus 2 plus 3 times root x. Well, root x is x to the power of a half. Now they're both powers. We can find dy over dx is equal to minus 2 times 4 is minus 8. Take 1 off the power to get x to the minus 3. A half times 3 is 3 over 2. X, 1 off a half, is minus a half. And question 4, again, they're not powers yet. So again, we can bring the x squared to the top. So we get y is equal to 6a x to the minus 2 minus 5 x. The root goes on the bottom, so it's going to be over 3, and the power goes on the top, so it's going to be 5 over 3. Now we can find the derivative. Dy over dx is equal to minus 2 times 6a is minus 12a. X minus 2 minus another 1 gives you minus 3, and 5 over 3 times 5 is equal to minus 25 over 3. 5 over 3 minus 1 is 2 over 3. Question 5. We have two functions multiplied together. Later on in the course you will learn the product rule, but we don't know that yet, so we're going to have to multiply the two functions together. So we get f of x is equal to x cubed times 4 is 4x cubed over x plus 2x squared times x cubed gives us 2x to the power of 5. Remember, you add the powers together. Now we can divide the first term out, so we get f of x is equal to x cubed divided by x gives us x squared, so we've got 4x squared plus 2x to the power of 5. Now we can find the derivative, which is f dash of x, which is equal 2 times 4 is 8. Take 1 off the power, so you just get x, plus 5 times 2 is 10. X, 5 minus 1 is 4. In question 6, we have a quotient, so we're going to have to divide all the way through first. So we get f dash of x, x to the power of 4 divided by x to the power of 2 is equal to x squared, minus 2x cubed divided by x squared gives us 2x, and minus 4 divided by x squared gives us minus 4 over x squared. The last term still isn't a power, but again we can bring the x squared to the top, so we've now got 4 f of x is equal to x squared minus 2x minus 4x to the minus 2. Now we can find the derivative. F dash of x is equal to 2 times x to the power of 1 minus 2. Minus 2 times minus 4 gives us plus 8. Minus 2 minus another 1 gives us minus 3. If you want to take the minus back down to the bottom, you get f dash of x is equal to 2x minus 2 plus 8 divided by x cubed.